Video we will fix a Frigidaire electric range F10 error, oven overheat, sensor test or reset guide. So the fixed one, you can reset the range. Turn off the range, unplug it from the wall or turn off the circuit breaker. Then you can wait for 5 to 10 minutes. After that, plug it back in or turn the breaker on and check if the F10 error is gone. The next fix, you can check the oven temperature sensor. Turn off the power from the breaker. Open the oven and find the thin metal rod at the back panel, and then remove the screw holding the sensor and gently pull it forward and unplug the wire. After that, test it with a multimeter, should be about the 1100 ohms at room temperature. Then, if the reading is wrong, replace the sensor and plug it back in and screw it into the place. In fix 3, you can check sensor wiring. Turn off power, pull the range away from the wall, remove the back panel, inspect wire connected to the sensor and control board, look for loose, burnt or damaged wire and tighten or replace the damaged wiring. Goodbye.